eto, hei, Iwan John sy'n dod I fewn fel gwestai heddiw.
Fi'n edrych ymlaen am hwnna.
Ie, fi hefyd, lot o chwerthin. Actor ydi o, wrth gwrs, a chomediwr.
Reit.
Reit.
Fi'n cofio hwn.
Brilliant, ydi, brilliant. He does play a lot of women characters.
He does,
Ti'n iawn, ti'n iawn.
Diddorol.
Ydych chi'n cofio'r ffilm Beryl, Cheryl a Meryl?
Ie.
Brilliant. Spray tan, dim bach fel fi. Oedd e'n oren iawn, oedd e'n ffantastig. Beth arall mae wedi wneud? Barry ar stwnsh.
Barry.
Wrth gwrs.
Maxen.
Eddie Butler.
Maxen, the movie.
Ie.
Ie, Eddie Butler a Kath in Lanzarote.
O, oedd?
Ie, mewn Lanzarote. Ie, joio.
Dwi ddim wedi gweld Maxen the movie.
Have you not seen it?
No.
Not many people do.
No. Is that when you were in a white suit?
Yeah.
Ardderchog.
Yeah.
Diddorol.
Let's not talk about that. I don't know why I brought that out. No.
Chwys.
I was young and needed the work. Okay.
Reit te. Felly, mae'n byw yn Aberteifi, Iwan. The Good Life. Ieir. Anifeiliaid.
What are you doing there?
Ieir.
Chickens?
Oes, mae gen i fo ieir. We did.
We did chickens last week. I know. That's so last week.
You just wanted to see my impression.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Mae'n byw yn Aberteifi gyda'i wraig, Non, sy'n actio a chanu a'r plant. Ac beth arall? Mae'n dod o Grymych.
Grymych.
Crymych. He can teach you some Crymych Welsh.
Good thing. Grymych.
Yn union.
Good dychan.
Is that Crymych?
I don't know. It's west, isn't it?
Nawn ni checio.
Is it west or north?
Ydy. Gorllewin.
West. Gorllewin.
We did that a few weeks ago.
I know. Kind of, like my brain's like a sieve. Yeah.
Ferchog. Iawn te. Ti'n barod am y wers?
Feels like yesterday since we did it. Fi'n barod am
Ti'n
wers,
barod?
Cariad.
Ooh. Nice easy ones.
Okay.
They
Wyt
look
ti'n licio?
scary. Wyt ti'n licio, wyt ti'n hoffi. So, sut ti'n dweud, do you know what the word for impressions are?
No.
To do impressions. Wyt ti'n licio dynwared?
Dynwared.
Dynwared. Yeah? Dynwared is to do impressions of somebody. Like, I never know how anybody can do that.
Can you do impressions?
I can do Janet Street Porter.
Go on.
Oh, shut up. You're going to smile like that all the time.
I can do you.
Go on then.
Hello, Eto. Hello. Shemai.
It's really high
Really,
pitch.
just a high-pitched voice, really. And
Anyway.
shoulders go up as well. Hello.
So, do you like doing impressions?
What was the word for impressions again?
Dynwared.
Wyt ti'n licio, neu hoffi, dynwared?
Da iawn. People? Doing
Wyt ti'n
impressions
hoffi
of people.
pobl?
Do you like people?
I like people. Wyt ti'n hoffi? What was it again?
Dynwared.
Dynwared pobl.
Do you enjoy dressing up as a woman?
Wyt ti'n mwynhau?
Does spend a lot of time dressing.
Gwisgo fel merched?
Yeah, da iawn. That'll be the most poignant question you've ever asked in an interview.
I think so.
Diddorol.
Yeah.
Nesa.
Beth wyt ti'n licio?
So general.
What do you like?
What do you like? Okay, so what do you like to do at the weekend?
Beth wyt ti'n licio ar y penwythnos?
Yeah, what do you like doing? Beth wyt ti'n licio?
Neud.
Neud.
Beth wyt ti'n licio wneud ar y penwythnos?
Da iawn. What do you like? I think he does all the cooking. Falle. So what do you like cooking?
Beth wyt ti'n licio coginio?
Da iawn. And what do you like about? What do you like about comedy?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am gomedi?
Oh.
G, treiglo,
Soft
boom.
notation after
Yeah.
that. Da iawn. Okay.
Yeah.
Gwych. Nesa. And then pa,
Pa.
which. Pa fath o, what kind of, iawn. So what kind of comedy do you like?
Pa fath o gomedi wyt ti'n licio?
Yeah. Yeah, mae hefyd yn actio, like serious acting, hefyd. Felly, beth am, what kind of characters do you like to play?
Oh, what's characters?
Cymeriad or cymeriadau characters.
Oh, pa fath o cymeriadau wyt ti'n licio?
What happens after an O?
Gymeriadau
Da iawn.
wyt ti'n licio?
Yeah. And what kind of characters do you like playing?
Pa fath o what was it?
Gymeriadau.
Gymeriadau wyt ti'n licio chwarae?
Da iawn.
Here we are.